2, so this one has a 2, and this one has 8. So they were asking us to find the first term, and it's carrying 3 marks. So now how do you find this? Because what has just happened is they have given us, we have these terms. So what they have given us, they haven't given us the first term, but they have given us the second term, which is 2. Then the third that they haven't given us, they have often given us the fourth term. All right. So what they want us to find, it is that, the first term. Okay, so now they are saying, find the first term. So I want you to understand that the general formula for the nth term of a geometric progression is nth term is equal to AR to the power n minus 1, where A is the first term and R is our common ratio. All right, so what we are going to do is, we have been asked to find the first term. Yeah, so we are going to write this information first. So to be second term is equal to 2. So we say AR, where there is n, we put that 2. Okay, so AR is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to that 2. Okay, because second term is equal to AR 2 minus 1. But since second term have been given, which is 2, we have just put AR to the power 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. And that will give us AR to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to 2. This is our first equation. So we'll solve it simultaneously. So then we come to this. We say we have fourth term is equal to 8. So where there is n, just put 4. So we have AR to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 8. So now our AR is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 is equal to 8. This is our second equation. So Tudor, this one was the mock exam that these guys wrote. It's the mock exam that these guys wrote. Mumuni zone. It's from the Mumuni zone. So Mumuni zone, we are including Mumuni, Libala, and all those guys. They are under Mumuni zone. Okay. If you're in Lusaka, you understand. Okay, so we have the first term and the second term. First equation and second equation, sorry. Then we are going to solve them simultaneously. We'll solve them simultaneously. So what we're going to do is we're going to say AR is equal to 2. Then AR cubed is equal to 8. And this method, somebody on this live, a very good gentleman, taught us. So we're going to divide, so to say. Okay? We are going to divide. So what is going to happen is this. In fact, according to him, he wrote like this, yes. So A divided by A, they will cancel each other. So this will go. Then we'll say we have R there 1, R there we're going to have squared. 2 there 1, 2 there 4. So what we have is 1 over R squared is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, then we'll cross multiply. So it will be R squared times R times 1 is R squared is equal to 1 times 4 is 4. Then we square root. So now our R is equal to 2. So the common ratio is 2, but they are not asking us to find the common ratio. So I've just found the common ratio so that it can help me find the first term, which is A. Okay, so where there is now R, we put 2. So to be AR is equal to 2. A, open bracket 2, is equal to 2. Then we divide both sides by 2. So that A is equal to 1. So our first term is 1. All right, in answering this question, so the first term is 1. They're saying that, let me see if I can. Saying that, oh no. Given that the second and the fourth term of a geometric progression are 2 and 8 respectively, find the first term. So we've managed to find the first term to be 1.